At ProStaff Termite and Pest Control, we want you to be fully educated on the inspection process, and this includes the Wood Destroying Insect Inspection Report, or NPMA 33. The updated form was released by the National Pest Management Association at the start of 2020 and includes some important changes. Start by checking the bottom of your form to make sure it's copyrighted 2019 National Pest Management Association. Page 1 of the form includes general information and the actual inspection findings. Section 1 is fairly straightforward and includes information on the inspection company and the property inspected. Section 2, titled Inspection Findings, includes whether visible evidence of wood-destroying insects was observed, and if so, what exactly was observed. This includes live insects, dead insects, insect parts, frass, shelter tubes, exit holes, and staining. There's often some confusion around the findings, so we'll break down what each one means. Live insects, dead insects, and insect parts are fairly self-explanatory. Frass is the fine powdery refuse, or perforated wood produced by wood-destroying insects to create their nest. Shelter tubes are built by termites to access different parts of a structure from their colony. Exit holes are typically created by wood-destroying insects to kick out waste from a nest or colony. Staining is evidence of a termite shelter tube that has been knocked down or otherwise lost over time. In this same section, you might notice the entire section on evidence of previous treatment was deleted. This section often led to more confusion, since it's not always possible to tell if a previous treatment has been performed, when a treatment was performed, and how it was performed. We'll talk more about this later. Section 3, titled Recommendations, includes information on whether action and/or treatment is recommended. Section 4, titled Obstruction or Inaccessible Areas, denotes structures or areas of the property that were not able to be visually inspected. And lastly, Section 5 includes space for additional comments and attachments. On to page 2. This page is extremely important but often overlooked. We recommend reading through page 2 carefully as it'll answer many questions you may have. Instead of going over each part, however, we would like to call attention to number 2, titled Treatment Recommendation Guidelines Regarding Subterranean Termites. This is the most significant change on the updated form. In the past, this section noted that if evidence of termites was observed, along with just evidence of previous treatment, new treatment may be called for. In this updated form, if there is evidence of an infestation and there is no documented evidence of previous treatment, treatment or corrective action should be recommended. This means you need a document proving treatment, and while the area is still a little gray, we simply ask that you provide what the Iowa Department of Agriculture requires of us when we do a treatment. This includes information on what product was used, the percentage it was used at, how much was used, and where it was used. If the correct document is provided, treatment may still be recommended in some cases, depending on our findings during the inspection. If one of our inspectors finds evidence of wood-destroying insects, we always try to reach out immediately to fill you in on our findings and what may be required going forward. We hope this helps clear up some of the confusion over the new form. However, if you still have any questions, feel free to reach out.